Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to this episode of Tuesdays with Tricky. This week Nana is here with us and we'll be doing a bread pudding competition judging. So make sure you stay tuned. We're about to go live right now on my IG.
Hey, it's Tuesdays with Tricky. Maybe I should say something. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us at Tuesdays with Tricky.
Sorry.
Today we have our guest speaker Nana. We're doing a bread pudding competition.
I notice they keep bringing me whenever there's food, which I really appreciate.
Hi Joe. Alright, we're live now on IG.
Oh hi. Oh, I wanted to.
And you know what else I noticed? That whenever they've had a particularly naughty week, the week before, they call in Nana. It's like, hold on guys.
Fix it, Nana, fix it.
Anyway, nice to be here again, especially with these
Bread pudding.
bread puddings. Yay!
Okay, so today we have 8 entrants for bread pudding. It's quite a bit, but we didn't have lunch, so we're ready. First things first, let's get some juice.
Oh, yes.
I wouldn't
Yeah, that was another thing. There's 2 bottles of water. Guess who's not having the water?
Me.
I was like, there's also 2 of Miss B's, so guess who's gonna get Miss B's?
So I don't know if anybody noticed my attire today. Today is Carnival Tuesday in Trinidad. I'm not okay. I'm not okay.
Would you like to stand up and show everybody?
My costume. So the blue piece is actually my Monday wear from Mobe 2014. This
Right.
was a piece I bought for a photo shoot, and these were my boots from Cayman, and this is a headpiece from the costume I designed in 2016, I believe. I'm not okay. Not okay. But you know, big up to all my carnival lovers.
Have a drink, Joe.
Let me have a drink. Let me grab a straw.
So Lady B, thank you to our sponsors Lady B, who has sent some amazing mixology concoctions today. So Jodi has a spice melon passion, and Nana will be getting a lychee sunrise.
Oh,
I
nice.
will only be doing taste because Scott says no. And plus I think from the smell of these bread puddings, I think I'll be having enough rum today too.
Ooh,
Do you have Nana? Okay.
thank you.
Oh, thanks for my cyber hugs.
Woo, woo, woo. Oh, I just hit my head. So
Okay.
anyway, do you guys notice how my boobs are so big now?
Actually, yeah, they've grown a lot. Mine, they pop out. Wow, this is nice.
This is nice.
Let me taste.
Oh, I like lychee. What's that mixed with?
Usually
Is that whiskey?
Usually she uses whiskey.
Yeah,
Wow.
I like the
Let me
whiskey.
taste it.
That is full of lychee. Maybe we should do some adjustments. Can you guys see the
Ooh,
comments?
The passion is
me-
so strong.
Rasta George.
Oh,
This is really nice.
Hold on, I'm going a little closer because sorry, my YouTube there.
This lychee
Wow.
is straight trouble.
Yeah, definitely. Do you want
can't
to taste
see,
this?
You can only see.
You
now, I
like
take that
passion
back.
fruit, right?
Oh, but the closer I go is the more the.
You got passion fruit here. You know what's so nice about these drinks? I'm not a drinker.
Why you mash
But-
that one up now?
Because
The fruit
we can't see the
flavor
comments.
is so true.
I have them here. I have the comments
Okay.
here.
And you can
Okay.
see actual fruit in there.
Where's
so
mine?
the lot. Sorry, we're taking yours. Drink some water.
So Exotic Island Empress says, "Hi, Mrs. Stewart. Clearly she's a student, and you're her drinking liquor."
Okay.
This is good stuff. This is really, really enjoyable. If you're not a
That would
drinker,
be wicked on the road.
Road. I was just
Yeah.
about to say that. This is like a perfect carnival drink.
Yeah.
Shove them in
Spicy
the
and fresh.
freezer.
It's
and
a
then
bit
just kick
sweet.
you.
This is a lot sweeter because of the lychee, but I like it mixed with the whiskey.
Your
That's
hair
nice.
growth on fleek, Tricky.
Thank God. I mean, like, honestly, I feel like I deserve all the hair growth and the length that
Oh,
there
you have to sit
possibly
down?
could be. The reason why is because I've been having such a rough pregnancy with beauty. My skin has gone wild. Like, I have warts, I have melasma, I've gotten excessive moles, and now I have this rash on my belly. It itches like crazy. I would pull down and show you, but my big boobs couldn't fit into a bra
tequila.
today. It's tequila.
Oh.
And when I looked it up online for self-diagnosis, I think I have PUP, P-U-P-P,
It's not pups.
whatever it is.
What is that?
It's like this rash that pregnant women get on their belly that you can't do anything about, that just scratches so much. And along with POPs comes great sidekicks of it, headaches and fatigue. And I've been suffering from the headaches. Like in the days I get these excruciating headaches, and I'm not a headache girl. Like I've never had headaches before. And all of a sudden now I'm just like dying in bed with these headaches. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Dude, I don't want Stevie go and get a brother or a sister. This is rough.
Wow. You know what's sad too? I can't identify. I had 3 kids, and honestly, I just went through my pregnancies. I worked every day. With Timothy, I worked until
I don't know
the
how people
week
work.
before.
I don't know how people work with pregnancy. I'm not even going to lie.
And yeah, when I look, I think, oh no, I'm so sorry to hear this. Jodi was the same way. She was fine.
Yeah,
Poor Trace.
I didn't
Aw.
have I didn't have too much trouble in my
Like
pregnancies.
I'm in the pharmacy the supermarket yesterday, and I'm walking on, and I literally have to stop in every aisle and just be like, and breathe. Like,
hard to
jeez,
see.
it's hard.
How
Here.
did we see that time? Oh, we had up the laptop
Yeah.
with the
We did
comments.
it again.
What are you doing? Anything to help it?
Yeah, I mean, I do as much as I can. Like, I eat a really good
Hi
diet.
from Turkey.
I've always eaten a very good
Oh,
diet,
turkey.
so that's not a problem of mine. I try to get as much sleep and as much good sleep. I'm taking my prenatals. I'm doing everything. Like, me and my doctor are in constant talk. I have friends who are doctors. It's not like I'm just sitting down doing nothing. I try hard not to complain about it, but it is the reality of what's happening to me, you know?
Lavibu is saying she vomited the whole 9 months and couldn't eat any food, just fruit. So you just have to remember that.
Lavibu, I feel it for you, girl, because the 3 months that I was vomiting, horrible. But with that, Lavibu, question: how much weight did you gain? How much weight did you
because
gain?
she wasn't eating food.
Yeah, just fruits. How much weight did you gain? And then was it easier for you to lose the weight afterwards?
Drink milk and Malta, says Diamond in the Rough 3.
Oh, Malta's good anyway.
I know.
Yeah, right? Yeah, just Malta. Yeah.
I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
Guys, make sure you catch the rerun of this. If you miss anything or you want to watch again, you can catch it over on my YouTube. This is Jodi, which we'll be doing a rebranding soon. And I saw somebody ask about my curls. There's a curl routine video there.
Yeah. I said to Jodi the other day, your curls look really good, eh?
Thank you.
They're so defined.
Remy is napping. She hasn't gone to school because yesterday she had a little bit of a runny nose, and I think it's because a molar is coming up.
I saw it first.
She's so miserable, and I
Yeah.
just don't want the teacher to have to deal with that, you know? Mom, they say you're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, guys. Trust me, when I knew every time I come on with these two, it's like, oh, the pressure is on, you know? It really is. You're a beautiful girl.
Oh, well, Nerissa 13 gives me hopes. She says, I was sick 9 months with the first baby and not sick at all with the second.
Oh, so
Were
you're
they
encouraging
different
her to
sexes?
go ahead.
That's what I
Yeah.
was about to ask. Nerissa, were there different sexes? Yeah.
Ah.
Mint oil is good for nauseous and calming headaches. Actually, I got a mint oil from the Life store in my goodie bag. I should try it. I should put it on my pillow and try it.
Rub it on your... We jamming still.
Jodi
Jamming
is so festive.
Guys, come on. Like, I have goosebumps. Like I
Jodi
miss
jamming
Trinidad.
still. She ain't lying.
Yes, everybody's posting a throwback in their costume. Nah. I in my house chillin'. For those on my YouTube, for those who are logging in from overseas, from out of the Caribbean, in case you don't know, there is a wonderful festival held each year in Trinidad and Tobago. It's a 2-day festival. It's a carnival. And it's the celebration before the beginning of Lent, right? So Ash Wednesday is coming up, and that's the beginning of Lent. So there's a festival, and basically it's to just get out all of those hedonistic, you know, craziness that you need to get out that I can't get out because I'm just born crazy. And so Monday and Tuesday, the streets of Trinidad are just filled with, oh my God, man. Oh, feathers and colors and people and just...
Are you crying?
Yes, I have goosebumps, man.
Oh my gosh, where is Designs by Drew?
my
Please come for your
gosh.
friend. Please come
This
for
is
your friend.
rough. It's rough. And Tracy and I go every single year.
For the past 15, 16.
Well, I've taken off like 1 or 2 years to have kids. And let me tell you, it's rough. Today's rough, like knowing that we were supposed to be there. I'm sure the Trinis feel the same way too.
Yeah, man.
And I just kind of dressed up in my costume. And not only that, but we want to send our love to everybody in Trinidad and Tobago. We want to let you know that we here at Tuesdays with Tricky, we're supporting you. So what's happening in Trinidad right now is from what I'm reading, the rules are not really protecting the women. And we have that problem here in Jamaica as well.
Yeah.
So, of late, another young woman was found beaten and raped and dead after they were looking for her. And you know, it's just really sad what's happening, and the laws don't work in the Caribbean in our favor, basically. So the bail is not set very high. You know, you're able to, we don't
justice
find
system is good.
that's what I want
It's
to
like
say.
based a lot on colonial laws, which don't
Right.
They're
reflect
antiquated.
well,
Yeah.
they're antiquated. So, you know, and a lot of people like to say, oh, the girls need to dress differently, or the girls need to dress more appropriately. Well, you know, the girl in Trinidad that was murdered, she was dressed in like work clothes. She was ready to go to work.
Yes, so
I mean,
when
and
they're
there's
carrying
so
on
many
about,
other-
oh, girls, you need to do this, you need to do that. Andrea was the epitome of, you know, nice little girl, but, you know, she couldn't afford her own car, so she was taking public transportation. And at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you wear a fake pom-pom, it doesn't matter if you wear a costume, it doesn't matter if you take the bus or if you own a car. You do not deserve to be raped at no time at all. Period.
Thank you.
So,
excellent point.
It's so
no justification.
There's no justification for it, and it's so hard because when you are somebody that has gone through something that traumatic as the individual, it is not just the individual alone, it is their family and their friends who go through it too.
And it's a lifelong torture too. Do you ever get over something like that?
I don't know, and you know, it's really difficult, and it's honestly bringing tears to my eyes, and thank God nobody close to me has ever had to deal with that. But I don't know how I would deal with that with a family member of mine. And you know, I just think it's time that women are heard and we come together as women, as Caribbean women. We live in hot climates.
Germany.
So we are constantly wearing shorts and spaghetti strap shirts, and that should be accepted. When I lived in Barcelona, we wore our swimsuit tops and shorts out on the road because it was so hot, and we walked around like that. This should be a norm because we live in a Caribbean country. You know, the men are just too violent and
sexualized. Everything is about sex.
Serious movements need to happen to protect the Caribbean queens, and I agree. So while I'm dressed up here and I'm doing my nod to Trinidad Carnival, I want to let you guys know that I've been seeing your posts and I've been seeing the articles, and I just want to let you know that I stand with you, and any petition that you want to send to me, I will definitely sign it, because I do agree, and not just for Trinidad but for Jamaica too, as who was it that said this? We need to stand up for our Caribbean queens. Thank you for bringing this to our attention. Yes, because we are one Caribbean.
Is it the Me Too movement for women? That was it?
No.
What was it? Yeah, we need to do something.
We need to
here,
teach
though.
consent. How you dress does not give consent. Exactly.
But a lot of education needs to be done to the males too. Not just for the female empowerment, but for the males to understand that this is not okay. It's not okay to objectify women. It's just not okay. And you know.
I'm ready for bread pudding.
Okay, so now welcome guys to this segment of the show, the bread pudding competition. We want to thank everybody. We see all your hearts going up. Okay, so first things first, we are going to start with, where's the cards? You have your cards?
Right here.
We have our cards.
Mommy,
okay.
Yes, tricky.
All right.
Jodi.
So the cards for
Bread pudding
everybody,
number one.
let me show you the cards. They have different sections
show YouTube
on the card. So we have appearance, texture, density, taste, and then the score for it. So these are our scoring cards. So then we have 8 contestants, so each one of them will be graded based upon this, and then the winner will win.
Okay, so our first bread pudding, I will be the
dispenser.
Yeah, the dispenser. Although I wanted to just dig a wedge a while ago, but I can't do that and then serve the bread pudding. Okay, so this is number 1, so you can check out the appearance.
Thank you.
I want to
really want to pick the wedgie.
Okay. Pick where's your fork?
Okay. So this is how it this is how the top of it would have looked.
Oh yes, I need to show.
Yes.
So the top. So I had to take them out of the container and try and display them as evenly as possible so that we don't recognize or whatever. Don't flip the plate. So underneath I wrote whose own it is.
Well, I want to get
and
some
numbers
of the
on
top
the plate
because I like the raisins.
Well, I want to take out one soldier here since Jodi's cut them in soldiers.
Okay.
And I'm gonna have.
Does anyone else call their toast soldiers when they cut it long ways and stick it in the egg?
Oof, it's
What?
the fraud that's happening at Immaculate Conception.
Oh, geez, how embarrassing is that? I just don't think people think. You set up yourself.
$30 million
for your old age, which I guess
I want to do the middle.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get some raisins here.
Okay.
Everybody's saying how you look good, Tricky.
Thank you. Me and my moles.
Okay, I'm good.
That's one. Okay.
Right.
Is this 1 to 5? 1 being the lowest, 5 being the highest.
Oh yeah.
So put your Scott, yeah.
Okay.
No. Oh, it's 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Okay.
Okay. So, and then put your total back.
So when you say texture density, is that 1 being the fluffiest, 5 being the densest?
Well, it depends. Do you like it fluffy or do you like it dense?
It's a texture that
it's
tastes
that
good
for
to you.
you. Yeah, it's not.
Okay.
It's subjective,
okay.
not objective.
I think I graded too high last time, so let me take it down a notch. Okay. Now we have number 2. Number 2, number 2, number
Okay.
2.
That's nice work.
Okay. So here's number 2. Taking this out the pan, this was super, super moist. We have some raisins, well, we have a lot of raisins in there.
And someone's gonna say, cleanse your palate.
It's alright.
Okay, yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
My palate don't cleanse out.
Okay.
Where's the
And
top
yes,
of this?
this is the top of this
Oh,
one.
okay.
We Germans down.
What I wonder what bread people use because different
But
people
that is a
use.
part of their recipe, the bread.
Yeah, for sure. Because
That's spicy.
that is spicy and nice.
Okay.
Okay. That have some.
Do you see how quickly she took it away?
We have 8 more. You want more?
Oh, I taste the
more.
cinnamon in that one. Okay. All right. Okay.
Lord, what kind of eraser is it on the end of this?
Okay. All right.
Hold on. Are you adding up to go?
No, I can't add. All right, so I have to
You
add
have
it.
to
Okay.
add up. Yes.
I don't add yet.
Okay. Hold on. Let me get my fingers right.
Okay,
Okay.
next one.
Okay, next one.
Okay.
Which would be bread pudding number 3. This one stands erect on the plate. It has some drizzling there.
Erect with drizzle. I don't know.
that.
Last week's show, I'm not really sure.
Oh, I see some cherries in this one too. Okay.
I love how Jodi takes a whole plate to
Hold on.
herself.
What is this at the top?
That
What do you mean?
is
I'm judging too.
rum cream sauce or something. Jodi, but some of them came with sauces.
Yeah, that's it.
If it wasn't already on top, I didn't put it on top because
Okay.
also some of them said to warm up. So if I wasn't warming up all of them, I warmed up none of them.
Okay, well this is a nice bite. I've got some sauce, I've got some of the topping, and I've got from the middle. So this is a perfect bite. It is.
So extra with her English self.
Perfect bite. Perfect bite.
That tastes like my mum's bread pudding.
Does it?
Okay.
All right.
Coming up now, we have.
Hold
Well,
on.
let me not stack them.
I need.
That was bread pudding number
I need
3.
tissue or.
We now have what?
What's happening?
What
I want
tissue?
to
What
just
kind of
clean
tissue?
My fork.
Lick it.
Thank
No, because I now take off.
We
my
now
lipstick.
have
Thank you.
bread pudding number 4. Bread pudding 4 also stands up
Hold on.
you. Erect.
erect on the plate.
Let me see.
Okay.
Oh, it looks very nice.
Honestly, it does.
Left hand or true camera flip and leave it. No, remember on IG we're using the front camera, you know, so everything is turned around. So I was gonna show you my card, but I can't. So we're using the front camera a lot of the times when I'm doing my stories. I'm using my front camera, so it looks like everybody's
I
left-handed. but we're
noticed
not.
that last week. Somebody said, "How come you're all
Or left-handed. It will flip the camera.
Yeah.
So if you watch back on my YouTube channel, this is Jodi. It's in high definition, and also there's where we'll be right-handed again. I just had hiccups.
Oh, I was wondering what happened to you a while ago.
Oh, it sang out for a little.
I love bread pudding.
Okay. I do too. I do too. Okay. How many we gone? 4. Halfway there. Okay. Highest goes. Oh, not to cheat. Okay. Okay. I do need some water now, though.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
There you go. Water 1,
Thank you.
water 2.
So how come you took the label off the water?
Because they're not paying for advertising space here.
Oh, beg your pardon.
With that being said, big up to Ladybeemixology.
I know. I can't imagine going down the road with Ladybeemixology. That would be so
No.
nice.
I would just get a couple a lot of pouches. shove them in the freezer and wham them in my cooler.
Yeah. I think that's what I like about Trinidad
Just-
Carnival too, that you have your own cooler and your own cart. Like, I love the idea of Jamaica Carnival, but sometimes getting a drink, especially if you do something specialized, can be so hard. What do you think? Where's my phone?
Right over here. Did you have time
Pictures,
in Lady B's drink last week? Was
Yes.
That sounded so intriguing.
It was so, because I guess I read the label, but I didn't really think about it. And then I tasted it and I'm like, there's something very like, I don't want to use the word savory because you think of meat. It's like, there's
Jodi, the
something
people would like a dance.
The building could burn down. We jamming still. We jamming still. The pandemic could shut down. We jamming still. We jamming still.
By the way, that is how Jodi dances Carnival Day. In case you think she brooks free and gets well, no, that is like, if she's on the road.
Excuse me, I'm one of the fancy, I'll be like this.
She's a fancy Carnival.
I'm a fan. Excuse me, I get enough trouble
Tell
for
them about
everything
the
else.
time.
Can you imagine if I was a broke it down, girl?
Tell them
However,
about the time when you put me in the front line mobile costume and I was so upset because I wanted the back line.
so I designed a costume in 2000 and I believe it was 14. And Tracy says, I want the back line, I want the back line. I said, no, Tracy, I'm going to get you a front line. You need to represent my brand. It's a beautiful costume. Tracy, no, we get here, run, makeup done. Usually I'm doing everybody's makeup. Tracy looks beautiful. We get on the road and everybody's flustered because you know when you go out and all of a sudden you're like dying of thirst. So we go we get a drink and I'm turning on and I'm like, that's the year I carried Sean with me. Turn on, I'm like, where's Tracy? Tracy comes back, right? She has on the panty, the bra is soaking wet and a French braid, no makeup. She's gone under the water truck because feathers are hot, right?
True.
The backpack that cost $200 and odd US dollar, right, is gone somewhere. I'm like, Tracy, where's the back? The truck man have it. The truck man. Which truck man, Tracy? The one over there. Tracy is soaking wet with a French braid. I'm like, Tracy, your hair was just blow dried. Yeah, it was. And all of a sudden she just started broke it down the road, and I'm just there like,
Hold on, was that the year that she stood on her
2015.
head?
Thank you. No, that was
Every
another
year.
year. Whatever year she does stand on her head, you know.
Come, number 5.
Number 5,
Oh.
bread pudding number 5.
I can't deal with the beauty of Carnival. Like, I just want to jam it.
So that's why I will deal with it for
Can
you.
you show the people,
Oh,
please?
sorry. Bread pudding number 5. So bread pudding number 5 is here. It has a crumble on top.
That looks
And-
really good.
Yeah. I wonder what the crumble is.
Well, we'll find out.
We'll find out right now.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, big sugar.
Okay. Wow, it's really moist.
Okay. Okay.
That one is really good.
I wonder if the people who send these bread puddings in, can you recognize your bread pudding when we show it up?
I'm gonna have to take
Hold on, we
it.
need a break. We need a break.
We just had a break.
I want another break.
Oh.
I have a sip break.
Watch
There we
it.
go. Sip break.
Thanks, Lady B's.
You know what?
My taste buds is bad, man.
Have some of your water.
Oatmeal
did
crumble?
hear.
Is it an oatmeal crumble? I don't think so.
What?
Somebody was asking if it was an oatmeal crumble.
I don't know.
I like the topping on that one. No, it was more like a sugar. Well,
It
remember when
tasted like it
a
had
cinnamon
apple or
sugar,
something in it.
a cinnamon sugar crumble. Winsome says she wants a piece of number 5.
Winnie from next door? Winnie, we have whole heap of...
I'll bring it over and you can give me a new jigsaw.
Okay, so
Try
now next is...
It's, you know what?
What
It's
is the
got
number?
nuts. It's got nuts
Well,
in the
let's
crumble.
don't say anything yet, so we can ask them after. what
After,
it's
okay.
Okay, okay.
So our
Because I'm
next
sure they're
contestant
choosing,
is
alright?
number 6. Number 6. Also erecting the plate. This one has a
There's
little...
no better word.
Yeah, it's like a peach on top. So this may be... No, do a cassava pudding.
Let's just settle with the bread pudding.
Okay,
Come
wait,
and bring
wait.
that around here.
So some of the...
So
we
how
call them
come this place
contestants
was so
sent
small?
it- because some bread puddings came in different shapes and I wanted to make it as even as possible.
Okay.
So like that's why the slices look. So that piece may be small because maybe it came in like a different
Okay,
shape
well,
or my
I
knife. When you get tired, I cut bread pudding downstairs. Me not lie. For those who sent in the contestants who sent in multiple
It's quite
flavors,
tasty too.
we picked We picked
What
a
number
flavor we
is it?
thought
Six?
Nana would like.
Okay.
Because mommy doesn't like mommy
Chocolate
likes mommy doesn't like chocolate chip. Somebody said like Oreo. Mommy likes traditional stuff, so we wanted everybody to kind of have the same flavor palette. So if you sent in multiples, we picked the one that we thought mommy would like the most.
And I think that's fair too.
And the flavor
because,
palette was
yeah.
closest to everybody else's
Yeah.
own.
Oh, wow.
So what we will do with the others of the multiples that you have is
Enjoy them.
Over at Winnie's.
number 6.
Nana, do you watch what you eat?
Yes, because I hate exercising. So I really do. Is it worth the calories? That's what I always ask myself. Is it worth the calories? And so far, it's been worth the calories for all of these things. Yeah, but I hate exercise. Like how these girls will go to the gym and stuff. I've got no discipline like that.
Okay.
Oh, wait, a little break.
Again?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're breaking with Ladybeemixology. I love her. Oh gosh.
I can't
And she
believe
was saying,
she's got so many flavors because
Yeah.
every week it's a different flavor or two
so
different
she
flavors
linked
that
me
you
last week and she's like, do you like spice? I was like, don't make it too peppered, but I do appreciate when I'm tasting that, you know, I may not love pepper and I may not love mushrooms, but I think it's very fair of me to say, oh, this tastes fruity or whatever it may be. You know what I mean? So it's not fair if I don't.
Earthy or whatever.
Right. So I do taste the things. I don't like spice, but this is not. No, that's not what I mean by I don't like spice. That's not what I mean. That's not what I mean. I don't like anything too peppery. This has a nice kick, but it's not like need water after this. You know?
Yeah. Let me taste it again.
I think yeah, it's refreshing.
It's nice. Like you have a little tickle at the back of your throat.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I like
ginger.
spice. I like
Yeah.
spice in my drinks too, though.
Is Nana vegan? Nana,
No.
you looking young, girl.
No.
Can you believe what Nana says to me? I had to just shut her down the other day. She goes, I don't know if I want to be on your Tuesdays with Tricky show because I'm beside you two beautiful girls. And I was like,
But
"Wait,
it's
nobody
true.
has time
I thought
for you
she
right
was.
now."
I thought she was saying that because I give too much trouble online. So she's like, I can't manage you anymore. So I was like, Mommy, it wasn't my fault.
I'm just like, Mommy, nobody has time for you. Go play a small violin somewhere
Yeah.
else. Where's number
Okay,
number
who's
7?
next?
Number 7.
Who's next? Number 7. Auntie
No
Stephanie is
empathy.
here,
No
and she's
empathy for Nana.
Auntie Stephanie doesn't know what to do with Rem not in school. Here we have number 7, and oh, this one
Stephanie,
is.
your pictures are fabulous.
I
wish
know,
would
you should
send
be
them
a
to
child
me too.
photographer,
Yeah.
honestly.
Because
I
when
keep telling
Jodi
you this.
posts them, they keep disappearing, and I was like, oh no.
She sends them to me after, let me know.
Oh, well, sure. Okay.
I think
thank
it's
you.
a perfect teacher when
Oh
you
my
send your
gosh.
child to school.
Yes.
Because what Stephanie does is she takes the pictures and she posts them and she puts the little cute things. And I think when you've just sent your child to school, you kind of want to know what they're doing in the
Tracy
day.
just grabbed the
The
plate.
whole
I'm getting down to business here. You guys
So,
talking about
I do like Auntie Stephanie, and I do
Yeah.
think that the school that I've chosen
Thank
for
you,
my
Mary.
kids is absolutely the right fit.
I would agree.
yeah.
I think it's
Absolutely. And even though there's schools closer to me, like I just think I've picked the right fit. I like all the teachers. Even today when Auntie Canna who's not into the picture taking in Levi's class, but she has a bigger kids, she calls me. Levi's crying, where's the pizza in his lunch pan that you said you packed? So I said, Canna, it's in there. So now I start looking around the kitchen. What did I do with the pizza? I said, Canna. She goes, okay, he's speaking his word language and he's freaking out. Let me call you back. So she calls back, we found the pizza. I said, Canna, the lunch pan is 6 by 6. Where was the pizza?
Where was it?
There's nothing.
underneath
All
the
I had
sink.
to do was lift up the Doritos.
Oh, so he's looking with his nose. Typical male.
I
Jeez.
know. Well, I used to look with my nose a lot. So.
Yeah,
I
that's
must
true.
tell you though, during class time
Actually,
when the
do you know
teachers
what the-
call, woo,
Do you know what the funny
Skeleton.
thing is though? When Mommy was pregnant with me, she thought I was going to be a little boy,
Yes.
and they were going to name me Scott.
Yeah, that's
Isn't that
very
so
true.
funny?
Yeah. And when she was born, should I tell them that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we thought she was gonna be a little boy because in those days you didn't have the ultrasounds or anything. So we thought she was gonna be a little boy, and then when she came out, she was doing a big boo. So God was like, "Oh, look at his willy! It was so long." It was like, no. It was a little girl.
But she got her Scott in the end.
I
Mommy
got
and
my
Daddy
Scott,
got their
yes. And I love my Scott. I think he's great. Couldn't have asked for a better.
I love my
Flor
Sean.
Buchanan
I
Stan is
love Sean
asking,
too.
did it have rum? So most of these cakes have had rum, but they're not an overwhelming amount of rum. I find that
It's
they
flavor.
flavored them
Yes,
every
yeah.
cake. This is a hard competition actually.
yeah, we
and
should have maybe broken it down into 2.
I don't know. This is a hard competition, and I'm telling you what is winning on my sheet for most people is what's making the difference is a texture. Because,
you too? Yes.
Because everybody's appearance has been amazing.
Oh, sorry.
on
Dance
point.
break. What's another carnival song? Come on, Cor. What's another carnival?
Lucy.
What?
I see to dance, Lucy. I ran to dance, Lucy. And you got me so damn loose. Hey, 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 loose.
But hold on, they can't see you.
No, they don't need to see any booty right now. Listen, this domestic engineer is behaving today, okay?
Dance intermission.
Oh. So we have.
Mrs. Woodburn says put your back in it. Jodi, don't put her back in it.
No, I don't put my because that will cause sweating, okay? I'm more of the cameraman.
The journey of Yael has been writing over and over again. All houses road. Every time I look on my phone.
It's true. When we're finished here, let me tell you something. I'm gonna hold on to the bed. That's the back of the truck. We're heading down the hallway.
My Sean see you holding on to the back of the truck and
Can we say hello to Germany and hello? Was Netherlands on?
Ooh, we had Mauritius one time. Hello. We're international.
Where's
again.
Turkey? Turkey was on.
Where have it
And
showed?
Helen, if you're on in Wales.
Tracy just
Cumbria
mashed it up.
beef.
This
Sorry.
is number 8. This is
lucky number eight.
8.
Where's
go ahead.
where's Antonelle, our bad girl from last week? You don't remember was it Antonelle? Last week was causing so much trouble.
Is Fitz on? How is it?
Fitz is here.
Oh,
it's
okay,
kind of
good.
hard this week because we're so far. That's why
Yeah.
I'm standing up to see the
Alright.
comments.
That's why I have my phone off.
Oh, this has a nice. It has something on top too.
We jamming still.
I like it when things are soggy.
Aye, drop your flag. Drop your
Karina
flag.
T. Welcome,
Hold on,
Karina
hold on.
T. She
Drop
finally made it to Tricky Tuesdays. Yep. Drop on
just
the
a
flag,
woman,
everybody.
that
Drop your flag. Drop your
Alicia
flag.
Wheelers is waiting for you to drop your flag so you can wave it in the air. What? Put your
We
flag
jamming
up.
still. And best believe I have on my boots. So you're talking about. What do you think this is?
Okay.
Okay. Wow. That was very nice. That was everybody who cooked. That was fabulous. That was really nice.
So what we
Tummy
now?
full. Okay, so give me yours.
Oh. Thank God, I wasn't into the adding. Nana is going to add.
No, Tracy did it last time.
Oh. I definitely won't be doing it. I can't add. After all, I'm not a real engineer.
Hold on. I'll give it a curve to add.
It's not that hard. It's all numbers below 5. Why is it taking you so hard?
Below 5. Add
No,
5
it's
and
not.
5, then it makes 10. It's double digits there. It's not like it's cash.
You gotta carry.
count.
Once
I
you
can't
start to
count.
carry it, Jodi's in trouble.
Yeah, if you have to carry anything, I don't carry anything.
Sorry,
Except
when
my
I printed
children.
it, I have a new printer, so I couldn't figure out how to make it print. Okay,
It's
so you got
okay.
these going across.
All right, so let me do the announcement.
Oh, hold on, no, you have to.
We jamming still. It's a mix of costumes. You can check me out on my YouTube channel. I did I said where every piece is from earlier. We jamming still.
Ooh, this
We
is
jamming
close.
This is really close.
Oh, wow.
This is really close.
You know what? This is close to the point where it's horrible.
When is Tricky Baby Shower? On April 10th?
Oh, so guess what, guys? Check that last one. So
Yeah.
guess what, guys? I have made an Amazon baby registry, and if you want, you can go onto my Instagram page. I've put the link for my Amazon registry under there, and I truly am thankful and I appreciate anything at all that you guys want to send for baby Stevie. I have been so blessed so far with so many people being so kind,
Yeah.
and even
Especially me.
yes, you have been amazing, Joe. Even if it is just a card with a well wish, I really appreciate it. I will keep it for baby Stevie. And yeah, I'm excited to get the room underway and finish up decorating and stuff. So on the registry, there isn't a lot of stuff because guess what? Jodi had Remy, and I've gotten so much stuff already, and Scott's auntie gave us stuff, and everybody has given us so much stuff. So I didn't really need too much other than clothes, which I'm willing to accept up to 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, because she's not gonna stay in the
Houses
3
road,
to 6
houses
months
road.
clothes for very long, eh? But yeah.
Jodi, what music you dancing to? Do you know that I hear things in my head all the time?
I believe that.
Yeah, I do. I believe that too.
You don't have, like, I know that the voice is there, but I have, like,
Here,
people
let me do this.
in there.
In a disturbing way, actually.
Well, that's why Sean finds me so exciting.
Because he doesn't know who he's getting.
Yeah, it's like multiples, you know?
He's having an affair and you can't even complain about
Yeah.
it. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Sean, it's Cayenne tonight. Sean be like, okay, welcome.
Wow. You guys, this competition was really, really, really stiff. I want to give a shout out to all the contestants in this competition.
So we'll lift them up and we'll tell everybody all the contestants. But
Okay, so
who's
do that then.
Oh, the winner. Sorry, I didn't.
Wait, hold on, my foot is asleep.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't state a prize because I didn't find anything to give away. So don't worry. The winner will get a $50 Amazon gift certificate for today.
Oh, nice gift.
Nice gift.
Okay, yeah, that's a nice gift.
I'm on the road. I have a leg cramp.
She has a leg cramp on the road. This is why I may take pregnant people on. Actually, not me. I had a wonderful
I
carnival
know.
time
I remember
pregnant.
last carnival, Jodi's pregnant with Jeremy, and I was like, let's take a break on the AC bus.
I
And
don't
I
know.
was like,
I don't
no.
know who wins. Hold on.
Carnival, let me tell you something. You see those girls out there,
Okay.
very beautiful, and they stand up on the truck all day? That's not carnival. Sorry.
We have some predictions here.
Okay, so I'm gonna just read it out who won with a whopping score. Of,
Add it again though.
What do you mean, like a double check?
Yeah.
yeah,
Couldn't be me
it's
checking.
Okay.
with. Need to move over here.
Oh, come.
Make space for my big boobies.
Oh, the new ones. You know, I was the one that thought I had the new boobies, but welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome.
For the first time in her life.
Space for
I
all.
can finally tell my back from my front now. Shoulder blades are poking
They
out.
actually look very good on you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. I might tell Scott to keep them. So the other day, I was lying on my side and then I was moving positions and like right here was hurting me so badly, but I couldn't tell if it was the bone, the skin, or my boob. And I just wanted to know because, you know, just to massage. So I lift up my hand and I'm like, Scott, could you just like give a quick touch underneath here and tell me, like, just give a quick touch and a little massage so I can see where it's hurting me? Scott, lots of milky going on here, eh? I was like, go away.
Wow.
Anyway,
You are
with a
good,
whopping
Jackie.
score of 42 in first place, and in second place we have 34, and in third place we have 32. So guys, this was really a close race.
It was close, but it
who
was
was number one?
definitive. It was definitive for number one. Everything else was very close, but number one stood up for the three of us.
So the third place with 32 points is entrant number 8.
Woo!
Yes.
And I think it has to do with the bread that entrant number 8.
Entrant number 8 is the Bread Pudding Factory.
Woo!
The Bread Pudding Factory, number 8. You are winner. You are number 3.
You're third place.
Right, third.
So I just also want to say about the bread pudding factory is that they have so many different flavors of bread pudding. They
Hold on.
sent in
Them said a whole damn menu.
they sent so many different flavors. So the flavor that we chose was a rum and raisin flavor, and I think that they stood out because
Thank you
of the
for
bread.
giving us this awesome opportunity of serving you from our team at the Bread Pudding Factory. We are a home-based business located in Bogwalk, St. Catherine. They have multiple flavors and them did send all of them. We have rum and raisin bread pudding with a rum glaze, coconut pineapple upside down with pina colada glaze, chocolate chip and salted caramel, that one's non-alcoholic, plain surprise with strawberry jam topping, homemade, non-alcoholic, alcoholic. Oreo coffee blast with salted caramel and a red velvet with cream cheese glaze, also non-alcoholic. Products are baked fresh weekly, so we would like to bake up the bread pudding factory.
That one had actually I could taste the rum in that one. That one had a lovely taste.
It did.
And that one was, I think, my favorite consistency.
All right, who's
Yeah,
second? Who's
okay.
second? Who's second?
Coming in number 2 with 34 points was entrant number 6.
Number 6, number 6, yes. Entrant number 6 is Kitchen Chronicles.
Okay.
KITCH Chronicles.
So Kitsch Chronicles, they sent 2 bread puddings. Let me
Yes.
give a shout out to them. One was a berry flavored bread pudding with almonds, which we did not feature, and this one was the rum
to write it down, you know.
I did. It was a rum cream with peach on top.
Yes.
And I just want to say that their flavor is what really stood out for me.
Yes.
Appearance wise.
At KITCH.CHRONICLES.
So they stood out for me really appearance wise. Mommy, I hear you breathing. You want to say something?
Well, I was just saying they didn't stand out for me appearance wise because
No.
it was so the bread was looking very chunky, so I wasn't expecting it to have such a nice flavor and such a nice density. So I don't know what type of bread they used.
No.
But you could see it, and I thought to myself, this is going to be dry, but it really wasn't.
It wasn't at all. It was quite moist.
Yeah. And I did like the things with the ones that got the top marks for me was stuff that had gooey on top. Like the rum glaze for the last one.
Oh, well,
this
and that's
peach.
not fair because some of them sent glaze that I didn't put on.
Well, no, it was just a topping.
Oh.
It wasn't the additional glaze.
Oh,
that
so
was
like-
just how it was.
So winning with a whopping 42 points.
And that's out of 50, no?
2 points. Yes. No, 3. What is 3?
3, 5,
What is 3 times 15?
15, 30,
45?
45.
I don't know. Anyway, with a whopping 42 points, the winner of Tuesdays is Tricky bread pudding competition is entrant number 5.
yes, and you guys said it.
Entrant
You
number
loved
5,
that one.
half baked.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh.
So half baked has actually been featured on this show before. Her is at half baked 876. They do delivery, and that's Alison, no? So she also has lasagna, which she featured on the show
And
before,
quiche.
and quiche. So you can check out
And she has
half
some
baked
other desserts that
876.
she does too. This
And
is
she's here. Congratulations, Alison.
Congratulations, Alison. Alison,
Yeah.
please tell us what is that topping? We were trying to guess. Nana
Somebody
said
said
apples.
oats.
Somebody said
Fitzroy
oats.
says it's obvious. Congrats, everyone. I knew it. Everybody's saying I knew it. I knew it.
I just want to take
half
a...
baked. Yay.
honestly...
And she's here apparently. Jodi.
Alison,
she's
yes,
here.
answer. What is the topping made out of? Is it nuts? Is it sugar? I don't know, what would you call this? It is really good though.
But then,
Yes,
soggy
congratulations
things.
to everybody who entered, and congratulations to our winner, half baked 876. It's cinnamon sugar walnut topping.
Walnut.
Oh, walnuts.
Yeah.
Do they deliver to Mobe? Mobe? Maybe for a price.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But you just got
That's
a
really nice.
notification. The Skims boyfriend is restocking today.
Oh, that's Kim Kardashian's, and by the way, Kim Kardashian's line. I try every week to buy something off of them, and they're always sold out. Like always. I have to ask Kim to send me something.
But you know what? I find that the prices aren't bad. Her fabrics, at least for the bras,
No,
the
dude,
fabrics weren't
the
bad.
quality
Yeah.
for the price that you get, even her makeup, like I'm definitely a Kim Kardashian fan for that. Like her
She's
stuff,
a businesswoman. Like,
Like
she
her
said
bras?
everything.
At the end of the day, she's a businesswoman.
her bras are so nice. They're so
Is that a
nicely
mosquito?
made.
A big mosquito too. You
And
saw that?
Yeah.
It's like maybe $20 for a bra. It's
And who is that asking why I'm in my drawers? Girl, it's Carnival Day. This is my costume. Okay.
Yeah, but going back to why Half Baked one, they got full points
Yeah.
across the board
Where's the other card?
for
Yeah.
they got full points across the board for Jodi and Nana.
Yeah.
They got full 5s. It was only Tricky that I gave them a 4 for texture and density.
So who won on was 5 for everybody? I guess
Maybe.
so. Otherwise,
I never
they-
gave
yeah.
anybody a full 5. You guys gave a full 5.
Okay.
I had to shop at 4 in the morning to get stuff from Skims. Well, I saw somebody's price is affordable is relative, but you have to also look at the
Other products that
Yeah.
are available out there. Like you can't
for
go
that
to
fabric.
and you can't go to Victoria's Secret and buy a bra for the price that Kim is selling her.
Okay,
Victoria's
I'm
Secret
over
is more
Victoria's
expensive.
Secret. I'm over
No,
Victoria's
when the
Secret.
panty came in
Them
the
start
other-
ravel out in like the second wash. I'm sick and tired of cutting string off my panty. They ravel
Well,
right
the-
out.
the
Skims
bras
is cheaper than
have gotten
Victoria's
so
Secret's,
expensive
FYI.
at Victoria's Secrets.
Yeah, and I just find that you can go online and search a bra that's... Tracy, you came with some really good Amazon panties one time, but the elastic in those did start to. But I don't mind buying another pack. I wear them every day.
Well, I wear
Is
mine
that the
every day.
seamless ones?
Mm-hmm.
They're like some black ones.
Yeah, they're totally seamless. Yeah.
Oh,
they're
turkeys
good.
in the house. I've been to Antalya. I
I got-
swam in the ocean there.
You did. You swam.
I haven't, but I'd like to see the,
I
the
remember that
turkey twirl
picture.
dances.
Didn't
I'd love
Rihanna
to see that.
sink that company? What Rihanna offers, from what I saw, Rihanna's I bought a few things from her Fenty line. Rihanna didn't offer the almost like the comfort line that Kim does. So Kim started off with like some wireless like t-shirt bras kind of thing, whereas Rihanna was more sexy lingerie and
Correct.
more like structured.
Two totally different
it's
things.
two totally different things, so it's not fair for you to compare them.
It would be like saying, comparing chicken cordon bleu to box lunch fried chicken. Like, they both have their place in the culinary cuisine, but they cannot be compared because they're so different. And I thought that Kim's line, she actually doesn't have that much underwire stuff.
It's hers is all more like a comfy. She makes it look really sexy and sultry in the ads, but it's more
I
like
feel
a
sexy
comfort.
and sultry when I put them on.
Yeah, it's more like a comfort. Like, there's no wire, there's not this over padding.
But then I feel like sometimes I've worn her bras and just worn them like, and they show. Like, I've worn one. I think I wore one on the show, the tube top or whatever.
Yes. So
I'm pretty
Rihanna
sure.
doesn't offer something like that. But I do have a bra from Rihanna, which I got like a black sexy lace bra, and it was good support.
Rihanna's boobs are so big now. Like, after she got fat and lost the weight, like, she just can't.
Rihanna looks good. Big up to Rihanna, because Rihanna was listening to some popcorn yesterday, and so was Cardi B. Listen, our dancehall music, like our music scene on like Jamaica, brand Jamaica, like, honestly, everybody loves us.
Well,
everybody loves, like, you know, what Jamaica. You come here and it's an experience.
Yes, yeah.
It's totally, you
From
can
your
eat
food,
good food,
your music,
the people,
the atmosphere, everything about Jamaica is unique. It's incredible.
Oh,
don't forget to
Are you still
sanitize.
eating?
I know.
Sanitizing.
You're on the road, so you have to sanitize.
Oh, rotted. Sanitize. Sanitize. That's my sanitize dance.
No, you need to rub your hands together to sanitize your boo-boo, not on a tray.
Sorry. Sanitize. Oh, that'll probably be a new Carnival song. Sanitize.
Oh, God.
Looking forward to that song. Destra, you up for it? Oh God, all my people, put your hands up in the air
And sanitize.
Rub them together. Sanitize.
Someone's got a teeth. I actually do it.
That was really good.
That's the second good one you've done. You did one last week too.
Guys,
Tasha. But I said to Jodi, how can you be eating bread pudding in your carnival costume?
Okay, leading up to Carnival, especially the last, I've got goosebumps. The last 2 months, you're like, no liquor, no bread, no rice, no carbs, no sugar, no nothing. Carnival day, everything me pass will have a carb in them in yummy. Look here now, man, liquor. All when the box lunch come, I'll eat the styrofoam, because for 2 months I've eaten nothing.
So hand them in the air.
Rub them together. Sanitize. You're not coming to Carnival?
I am just putting my hands in the air for totally different reasons, guys.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Yes. Somebody said, Nana, put them on the manners. She tried.
I can't. I tried so desperately. And then guess what? I'm so glad they got married. I can't believe this is not my responsibility anymore.
I don't think there's going to be anybody in the world wilder than me. And Scott has really tamed me down, man. Jeez, he's
Well,
so
no, hello.
wild.
Jodi has tamed down.
You call this team?
Yes?
Sanitize.
It's tame, okay?
Oh.
I must tell you, I saw one of your teachers this morning and I looked at her and I said, you know you're going backwards in time? She looks exactly the same.
Is this
It's
Miss Dodd?
crazy. No,
Miss Ashman Sims?
No, Miss
Miss Tom-
Mitchell from prep school.
Oh my God.
She was my grade 1 teacher, my brownie teacher.
Yeah. She looks
She's
exactly
ridiculous,
the
though.
same.
I
It's
saw
Nana is
her.
classy,
crazy.
and that's a comment I got on my YouTube as well, that Nana is so classy. And I guess you are.
Next to you guys, of
But
course
just
I
about
want
to
to
say,
say
I was
that.
like, you are classy, and then beside us,
Yeah,
you look like
the
Messiah.
Yeah, right? No, man.
Somebody says Timmy. Big up to Timmy. Richard Walker J.A. says Timmy. So yes, it's Timmy Tuesday today. So yes, it is Tuesdays with Tricky. Levi has his very own Timmy Tuesdays, where Timmy picks him up from school. Timmy actually picks up Remy as well, and I think Timmy's the only family member other than me that has picked up my 2 children.
Yeah.
Timmy has car seats for both children.
I don't have any.
Well,
But
I took them on Sunday,
one
so
day
I have them
I
both,
wanted
yeah.
to take Levi to the beach or something like that. So Scott and I planned it, and we were going to go to his godmother's beach house, Leah. And so I planned it and everything. And the morning of, I called Jodi to be like, oh hey, I'm picking up Levi and Remy to come. And she gave me one long-winded excuse as to why they can't come and blah 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 blah. And I cussed her off so bad. I was like, you always let Timmy take the kids and you never let me take them.
Are you saying I'm not responsible? I want to take Levi. He's my nephew. I was like, okay, fine, come for him. This time,
No, she
Levi
would only
don't-
give me Levi though. She wouldn't give me Remy. She wouldn't give me Remy. So Timmy gets Levi and Remy together at the same time on the same day. I've only ever gotten Levi.
But Timmy would like drop. So I would let him take Remy to Tuesdays with Timmy. I don't know what Tuesdays with. I don't know what they get up to. But Remy, because she doesn't wear a mask, and believe it or not, the very strange looks I get on the road if I take her out with me. Like we popped into my favorite place in hometown, where Melpack on Saturday. And while I was getting out my car, like when people see me with a child that doesn't have on a mask, I get these looks. But we have to remember that children under 2, their lungs cannot process the carbon monoxide or dioxide.
Monoxide.
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 No.
Dioxide. So their
Dioxide.
lungs breathing it in and out, they can't process the carbon dioxide, so it's actually worse for them to wear a mask. So just leave me. When you see me with Remy going into Melpack, just leave me alone.
Yeah,
okay?
under 2 they don't need a mask. They don't need a mask.
She's fine. It's probably why she's sick. No, I joke.
No. I saw that tooth. I saw that tooth from Sunday when I had them.
But
She
I
was
don't
crying,
understand.
and I was
She's
like,
getting
"Oh
a
my
molar
gosh!"
and not like the
Yeah.
incisors before the molar.
Well, whatever. She's doing her own thing, just
Yo,
like you.
thank goodness her daddy rich, because she going to need braces.
No, she's not. She's got some big old teeth there. They're as
Well,
straight
where are the
as.
little ones?
But that's okay. They'll come. They're straight and nice.
I never had
And you
braces.
guys are lucky because your daddy would not be paying for braces. So I said, push those teeth forward, girl, because daddy ain't paying for braces. No
You know, Scott
way.
didn't have braces either.
Really?
I didn't have
Stevie's
braces.
gonna
on
have
top.
some big teeth though, you know. I made that comment the other day. Tracy's got big teeth. Scott's got big teeth.
Scott smile come in like him have 3,000 teeth. And
Yeah, no, it's true. It's true. Stevie, I don't know. It's interesting to see your children though, eh? You just never know how they
Dance
gonna
break.
look. Oh dear Lord.
We on the stage now. We on the stage. We getting ready for the stage.
The stage is delirious. Time to get us scandalous, 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 scandalous.
Where you going?
How did I wear this on the road? This is like so wet. Oh, I had on my stockings. Oh, this is full of wedges, man.
Win some 003 says she paid for her own braces. You go win some.
Win some, big up yourself.
Big up
Your
you.
good clean self.
Big up you. Braces are quite expensive.
Expensive.
Yeah, man.
That's why you
Yeah.
have to have an engineering job that pays. Just saying. Just saying.
You're a nerd. Okay, so, Joe, are you double fisting on Carnival Day?
Yeah, and
That's
so
when
we
you
do
do
it.
it. So this is a fruit basket turnover. Basket.
Whiskey and
Miss B's
tequila?
squared.
It's not whiskey. Miss B said that
Lady B.
It's Remy. It's tequila. Baby, get Remy. Coming, baby. Coming.
Wait, Remy going come Carnival now?
Yeah. Hi.
Oh, I love how she loves her dolly that Sarah gave her.
Sugar?
It's Sugar. She loves Sugar. Sugar, oh boy, we were bathing her the other day, and Sugar had to pretend that she was bathing, but she had a cloth body, so she couldn't go in the water.
Oh.
Hi, Ren.
This is
Oh, Sugar, there's Sugar. Okay.
Sugar,
Hi,
come.
babes.
You like my chain? Oh, she likes my
Oh,
carnival.
she's a girly girl.
Oh, that's
There's
good.
Sugar.
Okay, so before we go, of course, I would like to have a tricky score in a moment, as usual. So.
Okay, sorry.
Oh,
Okay, thank you.
So Tricky's Corner today. You know,
Okay.
so we're in 2021, obviously, and we're in February. We're in mid-February. Today is what, the 16th?
Mhm.
And I just wanted to know who has set their goals for 2021? I'm personally not a goal setter. I don't want to say believe. I don't trust goal setting. It doesn't work for me. And I wanted to talk about this and setting goals and where we're planning to go in 2021.
So she's soon gone.
You want to go?
No, she's staying anymore.
Okay. And where we were going in 2021 and how we were expected to get there, because I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I feel so lost. Like there's a whole heap of corona. Every day I wake up, there's a new thing. Like, oh, you know, you can't do this, you can't do that. That's a stop. This is closed. This is open. So it's kind of, I feel really confused as to where to go in 2021, how to set goals, and how to even find a path to get towards whatever goal that it is I want to do. So, as I said earlier, I'm not a super big goal setter. What I like to do is think about where I want to be at the end of the year. And in doing that, thinking about where I want to be at the end of the year, then I try and navigate myself with the roads that are presented to me in how to get there. Why I say I don't like to set goals either is because sometimes roads change and paths change, and you know, when you're not taking a specific road that you thought was going to be for you, sometimes it can feel like a failure and you get so lost and so disheartened in this didn't happen for me or this didn't come through. So just wanted to have you guys think about the paths that you take, and instead of thinking of things as a failure, think of them as roadblocks or stepping stones or lessons that you've had to get through. Just reframe your whole entire thinking. And I think 2021 is going to be a year of reframing. Like what didn't work for you, why it didn't work, what lessons have we learned from that. And I think the lessons learned in 2021 are going to be our greatest achievement that will help us in 2022 and 2023. So that's kind of what I wanted to speak to you about, just to stay hopeful. Find different roads, different avenues. Don't give up. You don't have to look at the big goal, but don't necessarily direct yourself down one specific path, because that path may get closed off due to corona. You know, you don't know. So just learn your lessons and keep on moving, guys. It is going to happen to you, and it will happen for you. I know it because I know you all are troopers, and I know that we can get through this.
Wow. You know, I think one of the most important words that came out of that tray is reinvention.
Reframing.
Well, you said reframing, I said reinvention. You just have to always be open and reinventing yourself. We're not static. We learn lessons along the way, things happen to us, and we just need to reinvent the future into a way that seems right to us with what is happening to us. And we're just not static.
No.
So if you're determined to follow that path and all the roadblocks or the doors are closing for that path, and you're determined, then that just doesn't make any sense.
And it kind of goes to like what's happening with the whole Tuesdays with Tricky, where, you know, we've had to really reframe and reinvent ourselves to be going on YouTube, because the shows kept getting blocks off of Instagram. So we had to figure out how we're going to keep this going, how we're going to keep it moving. We really love it, we enjoy it. And so it wasn't this is not happening for us on Instagram anymore. It was, how can we keep this going? And that's something that has worked for us in our favor, and you just have to keep positive about how it's going to work out.
I mean, it was hard at first because I don't like change, but you have to just keep, you know, trying new things until, you know, something works out.
I don't think anybody likes change.
This is why I don't have a
comfortable.
Dude,
You get
hate
comfortable.
change.
So, but that's why it's important that you are willing to be flexible. When the change comes, you
Guess
need
who's
to make
home?
a change.
Can hear him.
Yeah.
Levi is home from Timmy Tuesdays. Alright guys, we'd like to thank you all so much for joining us for this our Hair Up Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what is going on outside the closet and bring you in here for some good, wholesome
Bread pudding,
laughter and fun. We would like to congratulate our winner today of the bread pudding competition, Half Baked 876. That's our handle on IG. You can check her out. Also, for a repeat of the show, for those who didn't catch it, for those who want to, you know, grab some screenshots for some memes at a later date, you can go over to YouTube, where the repeat will be on my channel. The link is in my bio, or you can search Jodi Henriques or This is Jodi.
I also want to big up our sponsor, Lady B.
I love her.
I know.
Who came through today? Because right now, house is road. House is road. I'm gonna go match the house.
I know. I just, you know, I really hope that you guys have tried some of her stuff. I can't believe how good it is.
Yeah,
It
they really
good.
are good.
Like sometimes you get like cocktails and they taste very cocky, like they're, you know. I don't like
First
that.
of all, the bread puddings were erect and cocktails taste very cocky. Oh dear.
Oh, we have a pause connection. Don't worry, that won't happen over on YouTube. All right, everybody, thank you so much for joining us. We will catch you, God's willing, in next week, Tuesday, for another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky.
Bye.
And somebody pointed out, this is 4 generations if you include sugar.
Okay.
Bye, everybody. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye,
And make
everybody.
sure you catch the
Bye,
repeats
bye.
over on YouTube.
Bye.
Bye. House is rude.
Whoa.
House is rude. House is rude.
Wait, can we sing our carnival song before we go?
Wait. Put your hands up in the air. Rub them together. Sanitize. 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 Bye everyone. Thank you so much for joining us right here on our YouTube channel. This is, well, I don't know. This is us. This is Tricky. This is
We need
Jodi.
help with the name.
Yeah, we'll come back to you. Bye everybody. Thank you so much for watching. We love you very much.
Bye.